Verifying your Dropbox account is an essential step to ensure the security and proper functioning of your account. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access your email. Check the email address associated with your Dropbox account. Look for a verification email from Dropbox. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 2. Open the verification email. Once you find the email, open it. The email will contain a link or button that you need to click to verify your account. Step 3. Click the verification link. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This will redirect you to the Dropbox website, where your account will be verified. Step 4. Log into your account. If prompted, log into your Dropbox account using your credentials. This step may be necessary to confirm your identity after clicking the verification link. Step 5. Confirmation of verification. After logging in, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully verified. You can now use your Dropbox account without any restrictions. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Dropbox account is verified and secure. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Dropbox support for assistance.